Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Chenna Poda is a cheese dessert from the Indian state of Odisha. Chenna Poda literally means baked cheese in Odia. It is made of well-kneaded homemade fresh cheese chenna, sugars, semolina and is baked for several hours until it's brown. It has a crispy crust and a juicy filling which makes its every bite heavenly. We can serve Chenna Poda as a dessert after meal or as a sweet snacks. So let's get started. Take 2 liters of milk, 3 tablespoons of semolina, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, half cup of sugar. So now first we'll take a large vessel and add 2 liters of milk to it and keep the flame on medium and we'll boil the milk. Once the milk comes to boil, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in batches and we can stir continuously. We keep stirring till the milk curdles and we'll keep the flame on low to medium. You can add lemon juice, curd or vinegar to coagulate milk and water separate completely. Now we can see that the milk has been curdled. We'll drain the curdled milk over a cloth lined over a colander. You can use leftover water to make soup or knead the dough as they are very nutritious. Rinse off the curdled milk with fresh water to remove soreness from the lemon juice. Squeeze off water completely. Do not over squeeze as the moisture in paneer will be lost. Now to prepare the Chenna Poda, take a crumbled paneer into a large mixing bowl. Crumble and smash slightly, making sure the texture is uniform. Further, we'll add half a cup of sugar and mix well until the sugar melts completely. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of rava, cardamom powder, mix them well. Now you can also add water as required and prepare a smooth cake batter consistency and let it rest for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, take a small pan and grease with ghee. You can place a butter paper. Now we'll transfer the Chenna Poda batter into the mold and tap 2 to 3 times. Now we'll prepare the Chenna Poda. So for that we'll heat a pressure cooker. Remove the gaslight and whistle. Close the lid of the cooker and heat for 5 to 10 minutes. As a result, it gives a preheat oven atmosphere. Now we'll place the batter tin into the cooker and cover and cook on medium flame for around 45 minutes. In between, we'll check whether it is being cooked. So totally it has taken 45 minutes for the Chenna Poda to be baked. Once the Chenna Poda is cooled completely, we'll scrape from the sides and cut. Finally, Chenna Poda is ready to serve and refrigerate for a week in an airtight container. It has a crispy crust and a juicy filling which makes its every bite heavenly. Always get a dark golden color on the sides of the Chenna Poda. So this makes sure that it has been cooked well. So for more flavors, you can also replace sugar with jaggery. And it's always recommended to use fresh cow milk so that it gives a good texture for the Chenna Poda. Friends, try this delicious and authentic dish of Odisha and comment me in the comment section.